This is day 4 of my vlog series, moving from Brisbane to Sydney, Australia. Hello everyone, I'm Michelle and I'm a Filipina living in Australia. Today I feel really tired, I can feel all my body aches, but the show must go on. So this morning I went to the library. We don't have an internet yet at home, so I had to go to the library just to finish up some work that I need to do online, and super fast Wi-Fi, so I'm so happy with it. And then I came home and I planned to take a nap, but I think I was just so tired it turned into like a 2-hour sleep. So I got up and did some more unpacking business, and so I started cleaning the couch and chair because it has a little bit of dirt from the moving. It didn't work, so if you have any tips, please let me know. Then afterwards I just took a break. I made tea, and this tea is from Korea. It was given by my Korean friend. Hi Mihan, thank you so much, I love the tea. And look at the flowers, my in-laws came yesterday, they visited us. My mom-in-law brought these flowers, so nice, thank you. I just had a moment in the balcony. And I finished off the day by completing the final touches of the lamp. See you tomorrow! Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please click like and follow or subscribe. Thank you!